It's going on very nicely. I miss the food. I miss the food.
I just wanted to give you a hug. I
I
felt
was concerned about will they be speaking in Nepali or.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Srishti Kaur. I am from KIST Medical College, a third year medical student. And so I get a lot of DMs and comments about you guys wanting to know about how studying in Nepal from India works. So I want you guys to meet some of my subscribers, my favorite people.
Hi everyone, this is Shrunkala.
Hello, hello. We're actually filming right now in our college building. So yeah. So this is from Khala. You are from?
I'm from Maharashtra and currently I'm first year MBBS student.
Okay, and this is Prerana, right? And you are from?
Maharashtra myself.
Oh, you guys are from same state.
Yeah, even.
Okay, and this is introduce yourself.
Hello.
You
I'm
are?
Madhvi Shinde. I'm from Maharashtra, Sangli.
Oh, you guys all are from Maharashtra.
Yeah,
So
coincidence.
it's a big state.
Yes, it is.
So how many of you are there in your batch?
There are 31 students.
Oh, there are 31 students in your batch. That's great.
So there were 33 seats and two.
So why did you choose KIST Medical College?
It had great reviews about like academics, like it's taken very seriously here. So that's why, and like the teachers. This was the college we had like about academics. We had information about this college, like study is good here, and that was due to you, because we used to like watch like how is it, how you study, and it felt like it is a good place.
You can come a bit here. Resources that you search for to know more about Nepal like that.
So when I
This
was
college about what other resources that
I
you use?
completed my NEET and then I discussed with my parents, and then we thought that Nepal is a good country, that it follows all the NMC guidelines and it's good and it's safe and it's really close to the Indian border, so it's really close and my parents can come and whenever they want, and it follows every NMC guidelines. So yeah, decided for Nepal, and then we searched about the TU universities, and our counselors also said that KIST is the top medical college of TU universities. Then I searched about it, and then I got to know about your channel, and then I looked for your videos and it helped me a lot, and I wish in future also it helps many students.
Yeah, that's the hope. We're hoping that we can reach so many students and they will have different resources about our college. You gave your NEET exams, right?
So basic qualification is you should get 50 percentile to get in the MBBS in Nepal. So you have to get 50 percentile in MBBS, and it is purely merit based question. Merit based list will be uploaded in the MEC sites of Nepal, and from there you have to register yourself for the MEC.
So do you have to give NEET exams or
Yes.
CE exams or both of them?
So MEC is for Nepal students, and for Indian it is NEET.
So you give NEET as well as common entrance exam here in Nepal.
No, we just give NEET.
You
We
just
have
give
to-
NEET.
Yes.
It's not compulsory for you guys to give common entrance exams here.
No. Those that are not eligible for NEET, they can give MEC exam. There will be schedule of it.
Okay, so NEET. So after you went through MEC websites, learned more about the application process, and then you applied, right? At what step did you approach consultancy? Right after you passed, or
I passed, and then I discussed with my parents what to do and what to not. Then we got for like our counselors, and they did all the procedure. And,
so
like,
counselors
form
helped you
fillings.
in your process?
Yes, they did.
Is there a provision like you could apply by yourself, do everything by yourself, and come to Nepal? Are there any students or your friends that have done?
You can also fill the form by yourself, and then you will be getting center. So it was for me, the center was Sanothime Bhaktapur. So yeah, you can do it by yourself also. But there will be some places where you will be needing guidance of counselors. There was a merit based list uploaded on the MEC website, so we were called there, and we have to say that which college are we interested in, then we will get confirmation page and we will be allotted in that college.
Oh, okay.
Officially.
That's fine. So what are the fees that you guys have to pay, foreign students have to pay in order to study
So
MBBS?
in KIST it is 50.55 lakh in Indian currency.
Oh, okay. Excluding the hostel fees.
It includes hostel
Including
and
hostel
mess.
fees.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is it expensive than in India for private colleges? Or
As
it's
compared to
equal?
deemed universities, it is feasible here.
Oh, okay, it's feasible. Okay, so what is the difference between education system in India, MBBS doing MBBS in India and in Nepal?
So it is very similar. Like in India also we have 4.5 years of academics of MBBS and we have 1 year internship. So here also in Nepal we have 4.5 years of first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and we have 1 year internship. So it's same.
Process of applying to Nepal, and when did you get admitted here? How long was
It
the
started
process?
from August, I remember, because my father and I discussed about it in August, and from there all the counseling work started, and then around like December it ended with the admission process.
And when were you in here in Nepal and started your classes?
Feb.
February.
Feb.
Oh, okay. So it's a long process, right?
Yes.
Your days been since you came here and started studying? How is your first year going on?
It's going on very nicely. The people especially are very good here. Like we get treated, and lot of Indians we get to like, even lot of shops are owned by Bihari people, and also language is not a barrier. You like everyone can understand Hindi, and Nepali is easy to learn. Like it's very similar to Hindi, and I'm from Maharashtra, so some words are also similar to Marathi.
Oh,
So yeah, it's nice. The city is nice.
Are there any differences in seasons in India and Nepal?
It's colder
or
here.
It's colder here. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But summer is just getting started
Huh.
now. But I don't think it will be as hot as it will
In
be in
India, it's very hot. It gets very hot. Like from where I come from, it is hot. But the colds were very chilly.
Feel any type of cultural shock, or did you find difficulty in your first year to adapt to this? How did you, in terms of your mental health, like that? How was it difficult cooperating with everything, new environment, new people, and you miss home? So how was it, and how did you how do you deal with it?
I think I'm not very, connected with lot of people back there at home. Like since 2 years, since COVID, like all social things got cut off. But one thing I miss a lot is food. I think,
Okay.
yeah.
You miss Marathi food.
Yeah, I miss Marathi food, and that's the only thing I miss, to be honest. And I have a lot of friends here because everyone is of my age, everyone is
Yeah.
student here, so it's very easy to make friendships.
Yeah.
So
in Nepal,
it's good.
we are very welcoming.
Yeah,
so,
people are very welcoming. Like,
Yeah. How you are adapting, and how are you finding it difficult? Now you have adapted or still adapting. How is it?
Since I'm one of the youngest here, okay, like I'm fresher. I gave my NEET last year only and everything. So it is really very hard for me because I'm first time without my family, and it's really very long distance first of all from Mumbai to Nepal, right? So it was like in the starting it was very hard for me, but then my roommates and then my friend, everyone here are so good and just so heartwarming. I don't really feel like going home anymore.
No.
Yes.
Okay, that's very great. I just wanted to give you a hug. I felt like you were a bit emotional talking about it, but yeah, कितनी याद आ रही है.
So घर की याद आती है, parents की भी याद आती है, and the special thing is, as Madhvi mentioned, we miss the food. I miss the food, and the teachers are really nice. That I was concerned about, will they be speaking in Nepali or will they be teaching us in English? But all of the teachers are really fluent in English, and the seniors are really supportive when it comes to academics or non-academics also. They are really helpful.
Okay, आंटी देख लो आपकी बेटी आपको याद नहीं कर रही है.
कर रही हूँ मम्मी.
So thank you for everyone for watching this video. Thank you to my lovely juniors for joining me today, and I hope we were able to clear your doubts. I hope if you have any more queries, you can comment down below. And thank you so much, guys, for making this time for me. And good luck to you for your studies, your exams, and everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Good, but there's some
half face is like orange, and this this is dark. Like it's hitting here, not here. It should hit here. Nepali culture is the closest you'll get to India. Like every other country is very different from India culturally. This is the closest you can get.